Welcome. In this short video we introduce eLearning support for high-content courses. This breakthrough innovation can either substitute or complement your current classroom training. This video demonstrates how high-content eLearning can be applied to your corporate product and process training. Today high-content course material exists in many formats and drawn from multiple sources. Anything and everything from classroom material to textbooks, manuals, blogs, videos, e-learning sites and more. Most standard learning management systems integrate high-content learning material with assessments. But Fusion LMS goes an important step further and actually synchronizes high-content course material with singular-focused assessments. This creates interactive multimedia lessons which up to now was only possible for low-content e-learning courses. It has a profound effect on training results and cost-effectiveness. In a typical lesson, a digital book of 510 pages like this one, loads and navigates instantly. The learner can dynamically resize the pages during the lesson to focus on either the left for content or the right for assessments. The teacher can change the lesson instantly by synchronizing a different page to a new question. Pages open on a page set by the teacher to match the assessment set for the learner. The book can also open on a page determined by the answer to the quiz. Scenario questions and peer review assignments are also easily handled by this e-learning format. Google search or specific web content integration adds a vast and flexible network of learning possibilities to your lesson. In today's world, whether it be classroom, online or a combination, it's hard to imagine learning without the internet. Fusion LMS can also synchronize with other e-learning sites. We consider your investment in e-learning or existing LMS as an asset and an additional resource. Fusion is a multi-sourced high-content e-learning system that integrates a multitude of learning resources. We collaborate rather than rival with other learning systems, including the conventional classroom. Fusion LMS accommodates an endless sequence of high-definition videos, without it slowing the lesson down. Viewing lesson topics synchronized side by side to an assessment creates an impressive learning tool. To be effective, a lesson needs to be impressive. And a good video does that like nothing else. Training videos are expensive to make, but with Fusion teachers can repurpose their videos by lining them up into different combinations, most cost-effectively. Furthermore, the flexible combination of videos and digital books helps the teacher take your training and your learners to a whole new level. It's easier than you think. A video conferencing facility is available within the lesson itself. It is useful for group assignments and peer assessments where learners and teachers are unable to meet in person. You can add your preferred service as a plugin or use a standard one. At the end of each lesson there is an opportunity for learners to review their answers. Revision and feedback is an important part of the learning process. All the reports on Fusion LMS are aligned to the South African Qualifications Framework. And unit standards are directly linked to learner activity for BE calculations. Ultimately, you can train, monitor and mentor thousands of learners at a time, or reinforce classroom essential training with workplace assignments or product updates. To implement high-content e-learning, start small if you like. But start now. Then scale up to bigger benefits. Well, now thank you for listening so far. This concludes our video, with much more to tell. So if you would like to discuss how we might help one another, then email us at the address on the screen and we'll give you a tinkle, for sure.